These two kittens, they drink water. But the two kittens are missing. Whitey, do not disturb, they are drinking water. Drink, drink. Oh. Oh, here. Drink. Oh. You share. Orange, you are so thin now. Cutie still the same. Drink water. It's very hot here, you have to drink water. See, Orange? She drink a lot of water already. She will drink it all. Don't worry, we still have here. Orange. You are so thirsty, wow. Black too. What you want? You want to eat again? Want to drink also? Oh, drink water. That's enough, Orange. Wow. Now Blackie, Black 2 and Cutie drinking water. Orange already finished drinking, but the two still they are enjoying the water. But Whitey, see, he doesn't like to drink water. Orange, finished? Cutie finished? Oh, Blackie still not finished. No, not Blackie, Black 2. Black 2 not yet finished. Okay, finish. Really, I have to go now. It's already 10:20 here. Still have to buy my bread. Still, I haven't taken my breakfast yet. It's already 10:20 and it's very hot here. See, wow, it's very hot. Okay, bye bye. Really, bye for now, huh? Bye bye for now. See you again next week. Bye bye.